World Ninepin Bowling Association. The Fédération Internationale des Quilleurs FIQ is the World Bowling Federation. The FIQ is subdivided into two disciplines, the World Ninepin Bowling Association WNBA and the World Tenpin Bowling Association WTBA. Both organizations were founded by the FIQ in 1973 in London. The WNBA counts approximately 250.0 members in 26 countries on 3 continents: Europe, America, and Asia. History. Because of different types of skittle alleys, the WNBA has 3 sections: Brayton Sport/Bowl in BBK, EBK, BBK, Classic NBC, 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 Sheer NBS. The Classic section is the most popular of all sections. The section of the WNBA organizes world and continental championships for all age groups, as well as for world and continental single and team competitions. Furthermore, international matches and international competition events regularly take place. Over the course of the centuries, ninepin bowling has become recognized as a high-performance sport, requiring a high level of both technical skills and physical conditioning. Purely playful elements still attract recreational participants on skittle alleys. Until approximately 50 years ago, the pins were set by hand. Today, microprocessors have allowed for an automated process using machines that set the pins and feed electronic displays with results. Instead of wood pins and balls, plastic ones are more common today. Bowl and sheer lanes require a wood or plastic running surface, while classic lanes only use plastic running surfaces. These are implemented by either plastic coating or segmented plates of plastic building material. Skittle alleys suited for ninepin bowling have to be built according to WNBA technical standards and are subject to scrutiny from national associations. This allows for consistent playing conditions worldwide. Position within the FIQ. The WNBA holds the position of a disciplinary association and is thus an independent organ within the FIQ. For all responsible in the WNBA, one of the most important goals is to disseminate ninepin bowling all over the world and to win further nations as WNBA's members. Objectives and tasks. WNBA members. Presidency.